Hi, I'm student loan attorney Nancy Cavey. Generally, student loans never go away, but there are 6 exceptions to the rule. The first is school closure. If the school that you attended closed while you were attending school, you can ask forgiveness of your student loan debt. Secondly, false certification. The school that you attended must certify that you're eligible for federal student loans. If they falsely certify your eligibility, your loan can be forgiven if the school falsely certifies you're a high school graduate able to benefit from the program, that you're able to meet the minimum state requirements after completing the program, the school forges or alters your student loan note or endorsement on the check, or you're the victim of identity theft or other fraud. Unpaid tuition refund. Well, what happens if you never attended the program and withdrew? The tuition should have been refunded. But if the school keeps the money and then comes after you for repayment, you can ask for forgiveness of the amount that should have been refunded. Disability discharges. If you're permanently and totally disabled, you can seek an administrative discharge of your federally granted loans. It's one of the most common ways for federal student loans to be discharged. Public service discharge. The Public Service Loan Forgiveness PSLF program is one for federal student loan borrowers who work for nonprofit tax-exempt 501c3 organizations who are employed by the federal government, state government, local government, or serve full-time in AmeriCorps or Peace Corps. If you work for a qualified employer and make 120 payments, any money that you owe on your federal loans after 10 years of eligible payments and employment are forgiven. If you meet all the criteria, the earliest that any remaining debt can be forgiven will be October of 2017, since the program didn't start until October 1st, 2007. 9/11 victims. Certain relatives of 9/11 may be eligible for student loan debt forgiveness. What's right for you? Not every loan type qualifies for each of these options, and quite frankly, these options only apply to a very narrow group of borrowers and cosigners. If your doctors told you you're unable to work, you work for a nonprofit or a municipality, you might be eligible for a student loan discharge. But remember, none of these options apply to private student loans. You can learn more about your rights to administrative student loan discharge by contacting me, student loan attorney Nancy Cavey. I can help you with your student loan options regardless of where you live in the United States.